Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you the review of my wallet. So here it is. So I made a video when I got this wallet, and it was a gift from my husband for my birthday, and we bought this wallet in December. So since I bought it, I've been using it. So that means I've used it for like 4 months now, non-stop. I use it every day. I carry it in I've changed my bags like about a couple of times, but I've not changed my wallet. So that means I've been using this wallet every day. So I'm here to share with you how this wallet has held up, and yeah, the pros and cons and pretty much everything. So if you are interested in knowing what I think about this wallet, please keep watching. Thank you. So yeah, this wallet has really served me. I mean, I think it's worth the price. That's just what I'm gonna say, because I've used so many wallets that are not as expensive as this, and there is always something like it begins to wear out. But for me, this wallet has not worn out an inch. Not like I treat it with extra care or anything. I treat this wallet like I treat my every other wallet. Sometimes I go out with only this wallet because it can also fit your phone. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I already made a video, showing you how it looks like, the structure and everything. I'm just here to let you know how it has held up. I actually have all my things here, so if you want to see how many pockets it has, how it looks like, how the interior looks like, what I think about it at the initial time that I got it, you can watch my video on that one. So like I said, this video is just to let you know how it has held up. So interior wise, exterior wise, this wallet has held up so well, like so well. I will recommend this wallet any day, anytime. Like, even, okay, one thing I don't do is I do not zip it this way. So maybe if I used to, maybe the strap would have ripped or anything, but what I do is I hold it at this point. So this is how I open it up if I need to open, and this is how I close it if I need to close. That's what I do. So the only thing you can see, like if I were to sell this wallet to you or give it to you, the only thing that you can use to know that I've been using this wallet is the zip. So the zip it's not as brand new as it was when I got it. Like, it's not as gold as it was. You can see some rusty patches. So it's like some rusty patches all through. Not like water gets to it or anything. Nothing gets to it, but the gold is not as shiny as when I just got it. So that's the only thing you can see on this wallet for you to tell that I've been using it for a while. Aside that, every other thing is intact. The canvas is so strong and so good. It expands. It's not as thick as this, but because I have so many things in it, it expands. Like I said, I can also fit in my phone. I use an iPhone 7. So sometimes when I need to go out, I have a lot of things in it. I really don't want to wear it out on my phone. So my phone without the jacket at the back, I can always fit it into it. And I have a lot of cards in this wallet, a lot of cards. So I think those cards are also playing a part. And I have so many spaces that I've not even used, that I basically don't use because there's just nothing to keep in there. It has enough pockets as far as I'm concerned. And the coin purse is also intact, nice. I don't use it for coins, but I use it for my appointment cards and all that, pretty much, basically. So the question is, does it worth it? And my answer is yes, with a very huge thumbs up. I've been using this for months. I really wish I could get another one to let this rest, but I cannot afford another wallet at this time. So I don't know what to do. I need advice. Please advise me. What do you think I should do? I actually have some other wallets that are not luxury. They are not high-end wallets. I have a Michael Kors wallet. I have a Ralph Lauren wallet. I don't know. I'm thinking of just relieving this one and just switching to that one for another month. That's what I'm thinking I should do. But another reason why I've just been holding on to this is, like I said, I've switched my handbags so many times. So sometimes when I'm not carrying my Louis Vuitton bag, I also use it for my other bags. So it actually always it always makes a statement for me. So it's like a statement item for me. So if I want to dress simple, I want to dress down, but I just want to go to the store, or I just want to hold on to something, so I hold on to it and it serves as a statement piece on my outfit. So whenever I'm going out, that's just one other thing I'm gonna miss about this wallet when I let it eventually go to rest. Like I said, I would have loved to switch it to another Louis Vuitton wallet, of course in this same canvas. I can never let go of the Damier Ebene canvas, never. I don't see myself using another canvas, except if there is a particular item from them that I love that they do not have in Damier Ebene. That's when I can probably buy another canvas. So I wish I could, but I cannot afford it. This is all I have right now, and I don't know. I'm thinking so hard. It's hard for me to let go, but I don't have a choice. So I might just let it rest for another maybe couple of months and just go back to my former ways. I don't know. I'm thinking so hard on that. But yeah, really, I mean, trust me, believe me, this wallet has held up really good. I love it so much. And yeah, if I have to buy it again over and over and over, I will always go for this wallet. So I just thought I should come share that information with you guys. I hope this has been helpful. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and remain blessed. Peace.